Hello student, welcome to my class of computer science for class 12th. Today student we are going to understand relational algebra and its operation. So first of all we have to understand what is a relational algebra. Actually student, relational algebra is the combination of set of operands and a set of operators. Like the Boolean algebra you have learned in class 10th and 11th. Same way the relational algebra is based on the relation, that means to say according to the relational database model it is considered as a relational algebra which contains some kind of operands, okay, I'm to say operands and operator also. So we can come from the algebraic expression, okay, that particular way to apply the operate and operators. Relational algebra actually consists of the set of operations that takes one or two relations as an input and produce a new relation as output, okay. So you can consider two, I mean to say one or more than one relation considered as input and output as a one relation, okay. One new relation will produce by that. Operator actually provides you to map the values that are taken from the domain, okay, that is domain means a multiple value of the particular column or attribute of a relation, okay. If domain is produce more than one relation, then we get the relational algebra. So here are operation in the relational algebra. So there are four type of operation that is possible under the relational algebra. The first one thing is selection, second one thing is projection, third one thing union, and fourth one thing Cartesian product. So student, with the help of these particular operation we will get the number of the domain, I am to say output, possible output or filtered output with the help of relational algebra from the any relation. So first of all we are going to discuss selection. Selection actually in a relational algebra returns the tuple. Tuple meant to say record in a relation that fulfill the condition and produce the content, that is containing subset of row. So let us understand how to apply that. So here you can see example student. First of all, in a selection actually based on condition. So you can see in this particular syntax it is written here condition and relation. So suppose that here is relation name is table and the table as from student. So whenever we are going to provide the particular command, okay, we will discuss whatever the command, but we are going to just have an idea how to get the selection process, okay. So here you can see table student containing admission number like 101, 105, 103, 205, 305, 483, okay student. So here you can consider the every admission number containing the different numbers. I am to say Anu class 12th section A 85, here Usha class 6 section A 60. So suppose that if you are going to just search for only class 10th, I am say class 12th student record only, in that case we have applied some condition here, okay. In this case all data will not shown by particular output. So in this case only class 12th student will show. Here you can see roll number, I am to say admission number 01, 101 and 105 will show you, okay, that is class 12th and class 12th Anu and Balu. So in this output we can consider what will come. You can see here Anu and Balu has come. That means to say we have got the selection process or operation of Boolean algebra, okay student, sorry, relational algebra, okay. In this you can see only two rows has come, it means to say two record or tuple has come. Now we are going to discuss the projection. Projection actually student in a relation, I am to say relational algebra returns, it means to show you those column. We are talking about now column, not the row, I am to say attribute. So projection actually algebra returns the those column in a relation in a attribute list that containing subset of the column. So here you can see student projection as depicted by pi, okay. So here if you are going to just access the particular attribute admission number and name of the students, in this case all particular admission number and all name of the table will be shown here, either the student from 6th, 12th or 10th, okay. Here you can see Anu, Balu, Leela, Madhu, okay, Surpreet, okay, Usha and all admission number. So projection is a way by which we can get the columnar data or attribute data of a relation or table. And now we are going to understand union. So student, the union operator, okay, or operation is used for combine two or more table. So as the name says, student, union actually helps you how to combine more than two tables. Okay, each table within a union should have same number of column. Yes, this is a condition or the rule, we can say that, or the constant, we can say that. If two table we are going to combine to each other, both table need to have similar number of particular column. Okay, similar data type. So you can underline this one also. Each table within a union should have the similar number of or same number of the columns, similar data type, and also column must be in a same order. Okay, so this is your restriction to get the union. In the union operation, duplicate record will be automatically removed from the resultant table. Okay, so here you can consider there are two tables. The first one thing is student 1, roll number is 11, 22, 33, and name is Kumar, okay, Mohan, Rohit. Okay, and the next one table, okay, student 2 containing roll number and name. Here is roll number 22, 11, 77, Mohan, Rahul, Kavita. So student, this particular operation will combine, okay, two tables. So here you can see student, two duplicate will I got, that is roll number 11, 22, 33. Okay, so 22 and 11 is there, and this particular operation represented by sigma. You can see this sigma. Okay, if I am going to just select it, okay, you can see here sigma, student 1 unions. Now student, we can understand what is happening in this particular union operation. So first of all the content of table 1 as it is copied, like 11, 22, and 33. So here 11 is copied. Why? Because Rahul is different value as compared to the Kumar. So in this case, this particular value also copied along with the roll number 11. If the same value containing table 2, roll number 11 and Kumar, this will be avoided by the particular relational algebra.